I'm Sally and welcome again to Fondant Diary. So this time I'll show you how to make a cake topper of a little boy flying an airplane. And also I will list the tools and material that I use in the description. Let's get started.
First, print the airplane template. I put the link to download the template in the description. Then prepare 1.5 mm thick galvanized wire 90 cm long. Then wrap the wire with floral tape. Then bend the wire in the middle and then twist it to the end. Set it aside, then prepare a second galvanized wire 1 mm thick 70 cm long and wrap it again with floral tape. And next we will create the airplane frame. Place the first wire loop for the center of the airplane, then the second wire follows the shape of the airplane wings. And next for the airplane propeller, prepare 3 thin flower wires, each 15 cm long, then connect it to the front of the airplane frame. And next, wrap all the wire again. Then prick the frame into the polystyrene, then wrap the frame in aluminum foil to form the body of the airplane. Brush the frame with water, then I'll start shaping the airplane with fondant. The front of the airplane isn't big enough, so I'll add more fondant. And now the size of the airplane is the same as the size of the template. And now I'm going to make a hole for the pilot seat. Make the hole according to the position on the template. Then I'm going to apply some black fondant for the hole. And next, I'm going to make the airplane wings. First, wrap the two wing frames with floral tape. And then print the airplane wings over the fondant. Brush the frame with water, then attach the wings. And next, roll the fondant thinner to cover the underside of the wings. Brush the frames with water, then stick them under the wings. Then I add white fondant for the front of the airplane. And also, I add a 4 mm thick circle of gray fondant. Then press one side of the fondant to form a concave. Make a hole on the flat side, then stick it to the airplane. Then make stripes in the middle of the gray fondant. And next, position the 3 propeller wires in 3 directions. Then add blue fondant in the middle. Adjust the length of the propeller. And then shape the propeller with blue fondant. And next, the rear upper wing of the airplane. And next, I'm going to make the pilot. And lastly, I will make a puff of smoke or white cloud.
Living life every day.
So here it is, the cake topper of a boy pilot flying an
Thank you all
airplane.
for watching, and thank you also for those of you who have supported this channel by joining membership. I've put your names or your channel names at the end of this video. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!